day everyone. In today's video we are going to attempt to solve for the value of x in this radical equation. You can pause the video and attempt to solve the question under 2 minutes and compare your answers with mine. Alright, so the first step we're going to take here is to ensure that each of the radical expression that we have 2 of them in the equation. We want to ensure that each of them is on both sides of the equation. So how are we going to go about that? Let's add root 2x plus 1 to both sides of the equation. Okay, so we're going to add it here too, and that is to eliminate root 2x plus 1 here. So then we end up having 2 root x negative 1 is equals to root 2x plus 1. So to eliminate the square root, we're going to square both sides of the equation, and that's going to give us 2x, 2 root x negative 1 squared, and here we have root 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, so this becomes 2 root x negative 1, so we're going to have it in 2 places, 2 root x negative 1. Alright, so the square here we cancel the square root, so we end up having 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's expand the bracket. So we are going to have 2 root x multiplying 2 root x, and that's going to give us 2 root x squared. Okay, 2 root x we multiply negative 1, we're going to have negative 2 root x. Negative 1 times 2 root x, we have negative 2 root x, and negative 1 times negative 1, that's going to give us plus 1, is equals to 2x plus 1. Alright, so 2 root x squared, so that is actually 2 squared root x squared, negative 2 root x, negative 2 root x, that's going to give us negative 4 root x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 1. Alright, so 2 squared, that is 4. Square we cancel square roots, so we're going to have x left, negative 4 root x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 1. So 4 times x, that's 4x. Alright, these two we go, plus 1, they're out of it. 4 times x, we're going to have 4x, negative 4 root x is equals to 2x. So let's collect like terms. Let's subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. So we have 4x negative 2x negative 4 root x equals to 0. So this is going to give us 2x negative 4 root x equals to 0. Let's add 4 root x to both sides of the equation. So we have 2x is equals to 4 root x. Let's divide both sides by 2, and that's going to give us x is equals to 2 root x. So to eliminate this square root, we're going to square both sides of the equation again. So we end up having x squared is equals to 2 root x squared. Alright, so this becomes x squared equals 2 squared dot root s squared. So square we cancel square root, so we're going to have x squared, 2 squared, that is 4 times x. So we have x squared is equals to 4x. Right, so let's subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. X squared negative 4x, that will be equals to 0. So we can factorize x bracket x negative 4 is equals to what? 0. Alright, so we have two solutions here. S equals to 0. So let's equate the second factor, that's s negative 4 equals to 0. So add 4 to both sides of the equation, so we have x is equals to 4. So we have two solutions. We have x is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. The radicand of a square root has to be greater than 0. So therefore, the only solution that we have here is s is equals to 4. Thank you so much guys for watching.